mention.
Conduct prejudicial to public interest, professionalism, and nationalism. Kaya inalang natin si good service para at least pamilyar.
Tsaka may civil service and language.
Kaya, this is the amendment recommended by Senator Lacson.
To like with section 16 of Article 6.
Hindi, ano?
Tapos ng totoo.
Okay. Okay. Then one.
Kailangan sa SP.
Okay na ba? Okay po. Last.